Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. So today I'll be testing these try-on toenails from TEMU. It costs about $3, and I think they are about 200 pieces. And as you can see, they come in different colors and different sizes for your toes. So let's just get started. To my toenails shorter with the electric file and file the surface and the cuticle area as well. Perfect size. So I just pick up the closest in size to my toenails and come in with my file and shape it up a little bit to fit the size perfectly. So I'll come in with the nail glue and push it onto my natural nails. I'll push it into the cuticle area to give it that very natural look. I'll come in with a file and just file off that pointy plastic at the tips. I'll just shape it up a little bit to make it look perfect. And this step is very important. I'll seal them off with a glossy top coat. If you don't, it's gonna fade off with time because as you touch, as you wash, it's just a paint. It's not actually gel. It's not part of the plastic, so it will kind of fade off. So it's essential you seal it off with a top coat. And here we are. Let me know what you think. Do you love them? Do they look natural enough? I mean, it comes in handy if you don't have time to sit and design and do all those, gel nails. And this will take about 20 to 30 minutes and you're good to go. Love the color. It looks very natural. Okay, guys, so this is it. I hope I did help you. If you do give this a try, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.